Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my February IPSY Glam Bag Plus. This is the one that is tailored to me, that I pay for. If you want to see the IPSY OS one, which is a sampling, a sneak preview of the things that you could possibly have gotten this month, I will link that in the description box below. So for whatever reason, the last 3 boxes, I have not been able to pick my choices or add any add-ons. Every time I try, it just says, oops, and I know I'm not the only one having this issue. I've even contacted the company and they basically were like, well, you know, it's a new program, we're still trying to work out the glitches, and you only have a set amount of time to do that. Which I felt was a dumb answer, but whatever. So the first one is this VASANTI Brighten Up Miracle Mask. It's a 5-in-1 made with charcoal, turmeric, papaya, blah, blah, blah. It's a basic clay mask. However, it doesn't get super drying, which is good. I actually did like this. It does all of the lovely things to your skin that it's supposed to, and it doesn't dry out my skin, which is nice. It goes on easily. So yeah, I liked this. I think that I will continue to use this. It didn't irritate my skin or anything, which was nice. The next one is from CALLYSSEE. This one is whipped moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin. It has little coffee beans all over it. I personally disliked it immediately. It has a weird smell, kind of like a soap or something. It's a kind of a weird smell that I don't care for. And the texture of it is almost like a gel, but not quite. And for normal to dry skin, I felt like it just wasn't that hydrating. Can you see it's a little bit like see-through? And I don't know. I mean, like, I used a big glob and I used it on my skin. I've used it several times now, and I just feel like it feels more like a gel moisturizer. So maybe if you have more normal to oily skin, I'm not sure, but for me, I felt like it wasn't quite moisturizing enough. It has a weird texture, it has a weird smell, so not crazy about that one. This one I was really excited about. This is from BEAUTYSTAT. This is their Universal C Skin Refiner. So this is a vitamin C serum, but it's also got that acid in it so that it retexturizes. It does say that it's suitable for sensitive skin. However, I feel like that is not accurate. I do have sensitive skin, but I do also use products similar to this, so I feel like, you know, I'm not that sensitive to it. However, just using this once, the next day my skin hurt. So I would say if you are going to try this, even if you are not normally sensitive to products, you might want to just start out slow, you know, maybe every other day or once a week if you do have more sensitive skin. The texture of this is like a primer. It feels like a silicone primer, and it does have a lot of silicone in it. It also has petroleum in it, so it's creating a barrier on your skin to help lock in the moisture and keep out whatever else. So I just don't like it. I don't like the product. I don't like the silicone. I don't like how harsh it was on my skin. I was really bummed out by that because I was really looking forward to this. And on their website, and a lot of the reviews are like, wow, miracle product, love this. You know, it's in all the magazines, blah, blah, blah. Not for me. And then a makeup brush. This is from Complex Culture. I actually have a smaller one just like this that's for, like, you know, concealer or something. I do like this. The bristles on this are quite short and very dense, which does make it great for blending in your foundation, whether it's cream or liquid or even powder. It has the triangular shape to it, which is good for, like, you know, corners and edges and things. You know, I do like this. The shape of the handle, I kind of like this. It's just sort of easy for storing when it has a skinny point like this, because all of my brushes go in jars. It's like got this weird, like it's coming apart. I mean, can you hear it rattling? The heck is going on with that? Well, other than that, I do like this brush. I think it's a really great foundation brush. And then the one actual makeup product I got was this set of loose pigment eyeshadows from, well, I guess they're just loose pigments, from Naked Cosmetics. And there's like a silvery pewter shade, this brown shade, and then like a golden shimmer and a champagne shimmer. So if you've never used loose pigments before, they can be a bit daunting. they're also quite messy, but they can be used for all sorts of things, and they're pretty fun. So I have the silvery one on my eyes today, as well as on my nails. So I actually did a video a while back of how to use eyeshadow or loose pigments as nail polish. So you can see I have like the gold one and then the brown one on this finger. And all you do is you put like a base coat, and while it's still a little tacky, not fully wet, but a little tacky, you can either press it on with your finger or even just dip it in like a dip polish kind of a thing, and then kind of blow off the edges and then go over it with a clear coat, and you get lovely fun polish. So I will link my video that I did with that in the description box if you are interested. I also have the gold one pressed onto my matte liquid lipstick that I'm wearing today for a little bit of shimmer there, and then I have the champagne one on my cheeks as a highlighter. So you can use these for all sorts of things. You can even mix them in with your nail polishes. You can mix them together to make custom colors. They are fun to use. They're definitely messy, and if you are going to use it like as eyeshadow or something, I would recommend doing your eyeshadow first and then applying like your concealer and foundation underneath, because you'll get a bunch of fallout, or just put one of those shields underneath your eyes or something. But anyway, they are fun to play with, but I know that they can be a little bit daunting if you've never used them before, and I thought that this set was really lovely. I like all of the colors in there. I know some of the complaints were either, you know, they wish that they had more fun colors, because these are all pretty neutral and they don't have any mattes in here, but you know, but what it was, I'm enjoying it. Plus it's the only makeup product I got in my bag. So anyway, I was less than pleased with this bag. I am especially frustrated that I haven't been able to choose my items, because I feel like since they started doing that, I've been very excited about being able to choose my items, and I'm very frustrated that I'm paying for this and not able to do that, as well as not add any add-ons, because I do like the add-ons. So anyway, I'm hoping that next month will be better. Did I show you the bag? It's just got, you know, the red with the little kisses on there. It's cute. Let me know what you guys got in your bags. I am curious, and if you haven't seen my other video, did you guys get that stuff? Did you get different stuff? What were your favorite products? What were your least favorite? Are you able to do your choices? Is it just me, or you guys having issues with that too? Let me know. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.